You want your mama's lap? Okay. You're gonna get me all dirty though. Oh, fuck. I ruined my shirt. I sure did. Trying to get the smell of fish out of the microwave and bleach. That's great.
Everybody can hear you.
Well, it's fine. We'll meet here.
He's awfully cute. Kid with you kiss.
He's a very cute baby. That's a big head. You have a big head for a little dog. I could say that. See if this tow truck driver shows up.
You have your phone?
Yeah. I do. I scheduled it for 9. Figure it's gonna take me all day to get someone to come out here and get it done. Hey.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, hello. Hi there. What's his name or her name?
Gomez.
Gomez.
Yes.
Thanks for joining the meeting, Gomez.
He was feeling very needed today, needed in his mommy's lap. I think you need to throw her out, Steve.
Sorry, I got a new laptop. I have to restart soon to be able to share. I'll be back in a sec. All right, hopefully you can see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Okay, well, we have a small group today, but it's pretty fast, so I guess we should get started. Welcome everyone to the TOC meeting. My name is Andrea Fixley. I work for IBM. And today is November the 19th. I'm joining you from the Linux Foundation Member Summit. Sorry about the background noise. So first thing I have on the agenda is about the time and date of this meeting. So I sent out a form. So thanks for those of you who replied. So I got 6 replies until now, and they're kind of 50-50. And so I'll see maybe until the next TSC meeting, we can get more responses. I'll send a couple of reminders again. And if we don't get the majority of people that wants to change, we'll keep it as it is. And in terms of project updates, we got all the Q3 project updates now. So Helios was the only one missing. So thanks, Steve, for providing the updates for that. And Roxanne will write a blog post with all the updates and link to the updates of the various projects. One question, because we did the Q3 updates very late. I had forgotten about the update. So I was wondering if we should skip the Q4 updates now and just go directly to the Q1 for next year.
I think that's a reasonable thing considering it's November already.
Holiday seasons are coming up anyway, so they're usually light.
Yeah, cool. Thanks. So to do that. Just post some to the mailing list. Some progress on the SIG and working group updates. So I merged the PRs, the free SIG homepages, interoperability events, and supply chain, and marked the repositories as archived, which means that repositories are there, but they're read-only and they're not accepting any more PRs. I mean, the process can be reverted at any time. It's nothing permanent, but so that people don't expect that those are active, and interoperability discussion are redirected to the CDF project as was discussed first. So thanks for the reviews on that. I don't have any updates on best practices or MLOps groups or the data ops initiative. But if anyone has updates, please know. I also included here your new proposal, Tracy, for CI/CD cybersecurity. So thanks for putting that proposal together.
What is the process for me moving that forward? I suppose I should
That's a good
share it.
question.
Yeah, I think I have to, I need to share it with probably the TOC and let them review it? And then do we
Yeah.
vote on it or something?
Yeah, I think you need to find a sponsor within the TOC, but because you're part of the TOC, I don't know if that's really needed.
Right?
So you
And
can't be the
I'm sure
the
that, so I can
sponsor.
get Steve to sponsor me. We can have 2 of us.
And yeah,
I'm actually
think-
acting as the sponsor here for Brian Dawson, who's pushing this.
right. So I don't know if we need to vote, or if it's fine. I need to check the policy. That's anyone.
We haven't created a new working group in so long. I don't remember what the policy is.
Yes, it's been a while. So, the project proposal. 6. Oh, I need to update this page. Yes. The information process. TOC will identify at least one voting member as a TOC dice for each proposed SIG. The TOC dice report the TOC contributors, 5 respective chairs and drafts, they need to charter.
Okay, so I just need to add the chairs to it. I think, and I copied my SIG from my charter from the other ones.
There is
Okay, and that's after onboarding.
right. So there's no formal voting required according to the docs. So if you you know the you just need to set up the governance for the group and
Okay,
like the
Where did you
charter and those kind of things.
you found this under,
Let me share it.
okay, yeah, put it in the doc. Looks like we have to update the other ones anyway.
Yeah.
So if I go in there, I'll try to remember to do that.
This page.
Okay, I'll work on the onboarding stuff and based on this. And I'll also add who the initial chairs will be.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Tracy. Yeah, let's hope that there is a good participation to the SIG. Do you have any
Yeah.
plan in mind for outreach, getting people involved?
Yeah, I'm hoping to pull at least one person from each of the projects into this at minimum. That's what I would like to start with. So once I get it onboarded, then I'll start reaching out to some of the, I know that Mark said that there was somebody from Jenkins who would probably join. Jason, you got anybody from Spinnaker?
I mean, I'm the SIG security lead at Spinnaker.
Oh, you're the perfect candidate then. We'd love to have you.
The reality is Spinnaker's email and security stuff tends to be, yes, we know our DMARC is not set, or
Well, we're not that the discussion is going to be around more what tools need to be added to the CI/CD pipeline.
yeah, I'm more
No.
joking saying that, but yeah.
Yeah.
I'd probably be a good person for it, yes.
Yeah, I think you would be a great person for it. And we're going to be looking at tools that go beyond just the CDF. We'll be looking at the OpenSSF tools, as well as tools that they've defined in like the secure software development framework. So I'm hoping to build a list of kind of tooling based on stages, right?
Yeah. You might, I don't, are we on the infosec.exchange Mastodon at all?
No, I have no idea. I don't.
Okay, that's a very big infosec community.
Really?
And interestingly enough, reach out to some of those, and I can reach out to some of my infosec contacts if there's enough impetus to sort of
Well,
drive.
let me get it set up first
Yes.
before we
Get
do
it.
any outreach. So by the time we have this call, our next call, it should be completely set up, and then we can kind of push it in January.
Thanks, Jason. Is that the InfoSec community of Mastodon that you said?
Yeah, it's a very, very active group. Like There's some pretty big names in the InfoSec community. Blue Sky is also becoming very active as well. Those are two of the big areas right now, some of the key InfoSec players. There's a lot of CISOs, there's a lot of uh, some of the lower level, InfoSec players in those two communities.
Okay. We will work on that.
Yeah.
But let me get it, because I don't want anybody going out there and like, they don't even have a GitHub repo yet. So let me get all of the onboarding done. Make sure we have all of our ducks in a row so people can join the meetings and know how to get to it. And maybe we can do a proper launch of it in January. That's my hope. Breathe some life into the CD Foundation.
Sorry if I'm a little distracted. I'm juggling a couple internal threads.
All right. Anything else on working group 6? And Brian, say hi. I'll take this back. Okay. Next topic, CDCon. That's Roxanne asked me to bring this up. So the CDCon 2025 will be a dedicated track in the Open Source Summit North America 2025. So like we did in the past, so it's going to span over, I think, a couple of days. The Open Source Summit is going to be towards the end of June, Denver. And so we're going to have like a track. One of the tracks is going to be CDCon there. So we have a list of proposals that we need to submit. And Roxanne prepared this list of, a list of topics we need to submit. So these were the topics from 2025, and we need to define the topics from 2024. So if anyone would like to contribute to this, or if there are specific topics that you think should be part of the list, please add them here to the document. I think otherwise, we'll just copy the topics from last year.
I would say, I can, right off the top, I think that we need to, I would suggest that we add, I think we need something around AI. I would like to start understanding what we have to do on from a CD perspective on managing LLMs, for example.
Mhm. Yeah, I agree with that. So
Do you know if this list was the list that was populated in to submit talks for last year?
yeah, that's the
Okay.
one that was for last year.
I bet we could get it down to a little more. Okay, yeah, I'll make some comments on this.
Where's this doc shared at? Am I missing that?
I put a link to it
Oh,
on
there
the
it is.
notes. I'll just make sure. Do you have access, Jason?
I'm pretty sure I do. I may not have it bookmarked. That's part of the problem.
I know, I always have to go hunt it down too, Jason.
Yeah,
Do it. I wonder,
there I found it.
is it in the note? Is it in the invite? I wonder.
It's in the invite, the
Yeah,
agenda.
okay, yeah.
Okay, I'll propose some stuff on that.
Brilliant. Okay, thanks. Yes, I don't know.
And
Okay.
Jason, when you're out there, if you get a chance to look at that proposal for the CI/CD cybersecurity, that would be super helpful too. It's a pretty quick read. Won't take you
Yeah.
long.
I'll take a look.
Okay, thank you.
Cool. Thanks. Yeah, the last thing I wanted to bring up today is since we have a new fully formed POC now, and Melissa is not there, is not with us anymore, part of the POC. She used to be the deputy chair. So we should select a new deputy chair. So I just wanted to bring it up today to let people know, maybe see if anyone is interested in this. And I think it's so we need one or more candidates, and if we have more than one candidate, we need to vote as TOC who is going to be a chair. Is that something that anyone would be interested in?
Andrea, I'm happy to be a co-chair or a deputy chair.
Thanks, Tracy. Great.
I'm on these calls, so it's. I know you used to have. Didn't we have Melissa at one point? You're as a deputy chair.
Yeah, she used to be the deputy chair. Yeah, but she's not in the UC anymore, so she cannot be the deputy chair anymore.
Okay, yeah, yeah. I'm happy to put my name in the hat for that.
Okay, thanks, Tracy. What I can do, I can send an email then to the TSC group or also in the Slack. See if anyone else would like to be chair. Saying that you volunteered already, and so I think by the next meeting, unless anyone disagrees, we can just formalize it. We can just keep it simple, like that. Does it make sense?
I think that's the right thing to do.
Sure, I would like to keep it as simple as possible. You just say we'll elect the chair or deputy chair. But you say we'll elect the chair for presiding the meeting. Okay. But it doesn't say very much about what the process should be, so I think we can decide. Just want to make sure because it says we will elect the chair and the deputy chair. Just want to make sure that everyone who's not in the meeting today get a chance to say something if they would like to say something.
Maybe we just send an email out that has that in there that's and asks for self-nominations for the deputy chair.
Wondering if I should just frame it so that you volunteer for the role already, Tracy, and instead of asking for additional nomination, we just say that you volunteer to be the deputy chair and that we will vote next meeting for that.
Okay.
What do people think?
I think we should have. I think we should get other people a chance to self-nominate or to self-nominate and have a proper election.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I think like you said, Andrea, just go ahead and put it out there and then let people nominate. If we don't get any more, then we just take Tracy. Otherwise, we do the vote on our next meeting. So I would just keep it pretty close, a short time period. Just put it out there for the 2 weeks till our next meeting.
Okay. Okay, then I'll send it out today. So people have 2 weeks time. All right. Anything else folks would like to discuss today? All right. Well, thanks for joining, everyone, and looking forward to see you in a couple of weeks, if not earlier. Have a great rest of the day.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.